hissing. That's a crack. Needs to be repaired. But it's not leaking there anyway. Not now. That's new. Replaced that a few weeks ago. The hissing, if I listen, is coming from straight down in there somewhere. And I can't see down in there. But I squirted throttle body cleaner right in here. You get a light. And squirted throttle body cleaner right down in there. And I can't tell. I mean, I got a good deflection on the short-term field trims the first few times I did it, and it was hard for me to localize where it was coming from. I couldn't tell if it was just barely see the edge of the cam cover gasket right there. I couldn't tell if it was leaking there or further in this side of here, which would be your intake runners or the intake manifold. Squirted stuff in there, tried propane, got a few hits that was really hard for me to tell what was going on. I squirted some water in the bolt recesses there just to see if I was getting any suction in there, and that one still has a water in it, and that one still has a water in it, and that one there still has a water in it. I didn't squirt the back one because there's no sound coming from back there. So anyway, that's where I'm at. Friggin' frustrating. All of this evap nonsense is brand new. Replaced that stuff a few months ago. No problems. I checked the brake booster back there. No problems. Checked the whole line all the way back around where it goes into the throttle body. No problems. You know, working my way up the intake tube here. Anything we say upstream of the MAF there. I checked this joint. I checked